y'all feeling? Yeah. I hope I don't offend nobody with this shit, man. Check it out. Yeah. I used to be broke as fuck, whipping 100 record with 2 spinners. Dick stayed between your bitches' dress, no Bruce Jenner. Igniting crack pipes with flames from butane. Bitches used to play me to the left, said I was too strange. Now I'm getting hair from Cali hoes and smoking new strains. Ran a couple trains on foreign bitches out in Ukraine. Trying to be an honorary member of Wu-Tang, but I'm throwed off like Uday and Hussein. Fuck up your future. I shoot the Ruger through your Uber. I sift through cow maneuver for shrooms out his medulla. I sit in the car in your head while I listen to Guard. I punch through your fucking chest and kick my leg through your heart. The illest lyricist, smack a rapper for spitting gibberish. Hops and never take me in public cause I'm too